back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another slay video. So I did it to match this shirt, y'all. This makeup look is so bomb. I don't want to keep y'all long. I want y'all to get right into this tutorial so that y'all can see what I'm doing and how to do it, so that you can see how I became that, which is Briana to be Marie. What? I see those. And it's alcohol because I don't like no oils in my face, because what it's going to do is my face going to overall produce oils anyway. I'm not winning that alone. And then I had to get another one of these, y'all. So, yeah. So before I start, I am going to put my lip injection in Extreme on my lips. I had to get some more of this. Plump my lips up, baby. I've been loving going in with 3.75 lip because, I don't know, it just really, like, that brow pencil. I try not to pluck my brows because my birthday coming up and I want to go get my eyebrows arched. So I'm really trying, but I'm not going to cut the hairs. I probably might pluck underneath. I'm going in with my base number 6. So my code, it was working for Plouise. It does work now. It's Marie 10. I had to sign up. I didn't even know what I was doing. But yeah, eyebrows definitely on fleek. Got my base, and we're about to go in. This is like my favorite palette. I don't know. It just got everything in it. We're about to go in that palette, and then I'm gonna grab this mint green up out of here. First, gonna start with black. And I also picked up another 167. Yeah, 167 brush.
I feel like doing something.
With my 505, I just got a new one. And I'm going in with Mood.
My pocket's heavy.
You got cash in it?
Yeah.
Let me get some.
You was talking to me or he's talking to them?
Yeah. Stop playing them like that. My Q-tip and going in with this to clean it up some more. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to take my Fantasy palette and go in with this mint green and then this yellow. Start the show are these pigments. Are these pigments right here? I'm actually going to use this as a glitter liner, but I am going to put this pigment on top of that blue. These are from the Beauty Bar Cosmetics, y'all, so you can type them in at thebeautybar.cosmetics, and I will link it in the description right below. These dazzle pigments, that's cute all over. Day Ice, in Queen Breeze. Now for the face, finally. I prime my primers and stuff like that. Now it's time to beat this mug. I'm going in with my new Nars foundation. My new Caledonia, Fenty 420 foundation. I like it because it's like real smooth. Less is best, so I'm gonna go in with honey. I also got a new highlighter, y'all. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, y'all need to, because I posted this highlighter. Like, wow, look at that. Alright, so underneath the eyes, we're gonna put color, okay? I want some color down there. I don't know what color. Yeah. I know I'm definitely using this right here. And this, and I want to wet it. I think I'll put this on my nose, so I'm gonna think of something else to put on my nose. For lips, I am going to use my Hank and Henry and with Gang Gang. And I'm going to add Pooky. Is this liquid lipstick? This is really pretty for dark complected girls. It's like that. 1985. Start applying it. This is MAC's names. MAC glosses be fired. Alright, so I'm going to go kind of fix my hair a little bit with the hot combs, and I'm gonna come back. Okay. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next slate video.